Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to collaborate with teammates in real time on Tome AI presentations. Let's get started. First, in your Tome project, click the share button at the top right and add teammates' email or copy the invite link. Then choose between view only or edit access so teammates can help design, write, or review slides instantly. But here in Tome AI, you need to buy the subscription fee so that you can share with many people. And everyone sees changes live, perfect for brainstorming, pitch decks, or classroom group projects without constant file sending. And take note that it's only applicable on upgraded version of Tome AI. And that's it. That's how to collaborate on Tome slides in real time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.